Well, if you are amongst the thousands of other applicants who are waiting for their spousal sponsorship applications to be processed, then there is a good news for you. IRCC recently released an update where they addressed this particular issue of spousal sponsorships which have been delayed for over months right now, and IRCC has finally decided to take some steps and to address this particular issue. Be tuned till the end of the video. My name is Sahil and I'm going to share this particular update with you on this particular video, and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. So guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil, and today there is an important topic that I'm discussing with you. I know a couple of people who have been waiting in the queue. They have their spousal sponsorship applications that are already filed with IRCC, but there has been no update so far in the recent past, and they don't know what's going to happen. Recently also inside Canada around CNTR, there was a big rally that was held by a lot of permanent residents or Canadians who have been waiting for their spouses here inside Canada, but there has been no update as to when the files for their spouses who might be in another country, when would they get their PR, because the government has not been releasing any update. They could be processing, but then we haven't seen any action so far on those spousal sponsorship applications. So very recently in this update that was released, the government openly addressed this particular issue that spousal sponsorship applications, they actually take a lot of time to be processed, because they are applications which require a lot of attention, a lot of detail. Seldom happens that people get into marriage of convenience, and then the government has to address that particular issue and make sure that unwanted people do not come inside the country, right? So the processing of a spousal sponsorship application takes a fair bit of longer time than your regular applications. So the government addressed this particular issue in the recent update, like I said, and they decided to process at least 6,000 applications per month starting the month of October till December, which easily brings us to a total of at least 18,000 applications to be processed for spousal sponsorship in the coming 3 months. How are they going to do that? Now that is another part where the government says, IRCC says that they are going to increase the number of people working on the files. That is basically increasing the staff members. Another thing that they said is that they're going to deploy new technology, and they're also going to look at taking interviews over the internet, so that the whole process, the whole timeline can be made quicker, the process can be more speedier, and the applications, like they said, the quota that they've set up of doing around 6,000 applications of spousal sponsorship every month starting the month of October, that particular quota can be met. So guys, the good news is that if you have the file in processing, if you are waiting in queue, expect some action to happen in the coming months, in the coming weeks, and you would no longer be away from your loved one who could be waiting for you in another country, or could be here but then still waiting for the permanent resident status to be conferred upon. So guys, I hope the video was helpful and gives you much relief if you were waiting in line for your spousal sponsorship. If you have any questions, or if you want to file for a spousal sponsorship, I would be more than happy to help you. My contact details are in the description box. I am a regulated Canadian immigration consultant, and if you have any questions, just feel free to shout out, drop me a line, and if you have a comment to make, please make it in the comment section. Once again, see you soon in Canada. All the best.